Install and operate demo of H2. Install the phone. First, to insert the phone to the holder diagonally, push forward, then press down. Installation completed. To remove the phone, first, to power off the device, grip the motor, press the frame. Then, rotate the phone out. Support extra tripod. Balance adjust. Put the gimbal upright on the desk to see whether the phone is parallel. If not, loose the knob. Pull in, out the frame. Reach a horizontal balance, then tight up. Be sure to balance the phone before starting up. Open the device. Press the power button for 3 seconds till the green light on. Open the Bluetooth of your phone. Connect the name GP-H2-H3. Camera direction adjust. Direction can be minutely adjusted up, down, left, right by the joystick. Also can be quickly adjusted by hand under the locked mode. Double-click the power button. Gimbal can back to the original position fast. Shooting modes. Switch to the top turns to the locked mode. Fixed camera direction. The middle is the half-follow mode. Left-right turning follows the handle's rotation. Up-down pitch direction is fixed. The bottom is the full follow mode. Camera's direction all follows the rotation and pitching operation of the handle. Horizontal vertical mode switching. Tilt the handle to the right above 70 degrees. Gimbal automatically rotates into vertical shooting mode. Similarly, tilt to the left has the same effect. Take video, photo. Switch shooting mode of the phone. Click the shooting button to take photo or video.